You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone on your device. Let's get right into it. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down the list of apps until you find TikTok, then tap on it. Once you're in the TikTok settings, you'll see switches for different permissions. Make sure the switch next to camera is turned on so the app can access your device's camera for video. Also, toggle on the microphone option so TikTok can record audio when you're filming. If you don't see these options, there are a couple of things you can check. First, make sure TikTok is installed and fully updated. Sometimes outdated versions don't show the correct permissions. You can also double check permissions from another part of settings. Go to privacy and security, then tap on camera. There, confirm that TikTok is listed and the toggle is on. Do the same under privacy and security microphone to ensure both are enabled. Once everything is set up, you can open TikTok and try recording a video to make sure it works. If the app has access, the camera and mic should work without any problems. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If this helped you set things up, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more clear and simple tech tutorials. See you later.